In this section, we will look at adding a fee schedule and how you can further edit that. Fee schedules are located in this Accounting Fee Schedules tab. You can use the search to find a particular fee schedule. You can add a new fee schedule with this blue button. You can export the table below with this button, and then you can see the clients and fee schedules that have already been created and how you would further edit those with this view magnifying glass button on the left. To create a new fee schedule, you simply assign it a client, you give it a name, and you can enter the admin fee and mileage rate and click Create. I'm just going to open an existing one to show you all the features that appear once you've done so. So here we have a Liberty Mutual fee schedule called Default Daily Claim Fee Schedule. It has an admin fee of $20. Admin fees go 100% back to you, the firm. Expenses throughout here will go 100% to the adjuster, and then services follow the commission rate breakdown as dictated elsewhere. Um, so there are kind of three main sections below here where you can flush out a fee schedule. This first section is called brackets. This is similar to tiers in FileTrack if you're familiar with that system. You can add a new record just by clicking this button here and give kind of a range for the bracket, so a minimum and a maximum. You can then assign each bracket either a fee or a fee percent, and you can also have a min or max for that fee percent. So you can add as many brackets as you need to here. I'm going to go ahead and just delete that one that I added. The next section that we have below are fee types. These are the flat fees that you have in agreement with your client to apply certain amounts in particular cases. Once again, you can add a new record here. You can give it any name that you want. So I'm just going to call it test name, and then select a billing code from the drop-down list, and then the amount that is associated with it. I am going to, once again, just delete the one that I started to create. You can also edit things below here, but you can see some examples. These have a claim withdrawn versus with no inspection or after it's been inspected, and those have different flat rates with them. You also have one that's closed without pay and erroneous assignment. So any flat fee type agreements you have with the client, you can add in as a fee type here. And then the final section of the fee type are the components. So components are essentially add-ons that you might charge back to your client. Once again, you can add a new record and create a new row directly here. You can give it any name that you want and assign it to an existing billing code. You also have the option to make it a multiplier by checking this box. You're saying, yes, it's a multiplier, in which case you can do it multiple times. So for example, photos down below is a multiplier. If you have 5 photos, you will get 5 $1 fees associated with that. Anything that you create or build out in this fee schedule is going to be available and ultimately drive the options that you are guided through when creating an invoice for a claim with this assigned fee schedule on it. And if you need to understand more about these billing codes or how this mapping works, please watch the training related to billing codes. Only certain users have the ability to manage or edit those. Similarly, once a fee schedule has been built, an adjuster or an end user without the ability to edit or modify this wouldn't come in and change anything here, but they would be able to select things that have been outlined within that fee schedule.